Yeah, we're here in Sugarland Town Square, and the winds just picked up a lot more, and I want you to take a look at what we're seeing over here. This is actually City Hall, and a part of the roof actually just started coming off and collapsing. That's because of those strong winds. Just as we thought that the worst had gotten to us, this seems to be the worst that it has been so far. And we are just really right now kind of taking cover on the side because, again, the winds have gotten the strongest that they have been so far. I just want you to really take a look at this. I mean, it's impressive to see just how powerful and intense they are. At last check, we had seen that they were about 40-mile-per-hour winds, and they just kept on even getting stronger. So this is just some of the impact and effects that we're seeing of that. It actually pushed a tree down as well that was on top of a vehicle. But this, by far, is the most damage that we've seen. We've seen little debris here and there. But again, that is substantial damage to a building that has been here. So this just happened a few moments ago, and we are just now taking a look at the strongest that Beryl has hit Sugarland so far. Again, Fort Bend County, one of the strongest hit in the area. Just as we thought the worst had come, this is now the end. But now we're going to toss it back to you. We're going to continue to stay here and monitor these conditions, guys.
Yeah, thank you so much, Maria. And it still looks pretty bad right there behind you. I mean, it looks like you could be standing in Galveston right now, but you're in Sugarland. All right, thank you so much. Be safe out there.
Yeah.